binasa ng Korte Suprema yung rule at saka yung batas. Ito yung sinasabi ng Supreme Court. Ang daming dumaan na presidente. It was only a rule in the AFP. It was not a law. It still is not a law kung sinong ililibing dyan. Bilang Commander-in-Chief, panahon ni Noynoy, he could have changed the rule. He is the president. He could reorganize. And in fact, he could have spoken with the AFP to put a qualification kung sino ang pwedeng ilibing sa libingan ng mga bayani. But of course, they did not do that. So ngayon, yung mga trolls against Duterte are saying Supreme Court ang nagpalibing. That is not true. Kasi parang lumalabas na affirmative act on the part of the Supreme Court na ilibing si Marcos. Again, horribly not true. Kasi yung the Supreme Court will not act on its own. The Supreme Court will decide cases or controversies. So when they say yung Supreme Court ang nagpalibing, they don't understand how the system works. Kino-quote lang nila ang Rappler na nagsabing Supreme Court allows. Oo, what it really did was it upheld the decision of Rodrigo Duterte, President of the Republic, to bury Marcos Sr. as a former president and a former soldier.